students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 13th chapter surface area and volume. Already 7 exercises I have completed. Now I will do 8th exercise. This exercise is based on volume of sphere and hemisphere. So formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the two formulas we will be using in this exercise. Okay. Now we will see the first sum. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28 cm and 0.21 meter. So two questions are given with diameter, but we need radius, so we will divide it by 2. First sum is 28 cm, that is diameter is equal to 28 cm. So radius for that is, radius is equal to 28 by 2, that is equal to 14 cm. Now we will substitute this radius in the volume. So volume of sphere, we are asked to find the amount of water displaced by the solid spherical ball of diameter. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14 into 14. This one we will simplify. So 7 2s are 14. There is no other terms we have to simplify. So we will multiply as it is. So 22 into 4 is 88 into 14 2s are 28 into 14 divided by 3. So 88 into 28 is 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64 plus 6 is 70, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17, 4 6 4, 2 4 6 4 into 14. So 4 4s are 16, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Then 2 4 6 4. We will add this. 14 10 14, 3 4 4 9 6. 3 4 4 9 6 divided by 3. So when we divide this by 3, we will get 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, then 3 9s are 27, then 3 8s are 24, 20 we will get the remainder. So decimal point, 3 6 are 18, 20 again 6 6. This much centimeter cube. So this is the volume for the given diameter. Volume of the sphere for the given diameter. Then next sum is, for the next sum, diameter is given as 0.21 meter. So D is 0.21 meter. So radius is equal to 0.21 divided by 2. So this will be 0.2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 105. This much meter. So now volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 0.15 into 0.105 into 0.105. So this one we will simplify. So in 7 table, 0.7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So 7 means 015 we will get, 015. Then next one is 3, when we divide it by 3, 0.005. 0.005. So now all these things need to be multiplied. 22 into 4 is 88 into 105 into 105 into 5. So that will be 0.05 into 105 is 105 into 5 is 5 5s are 25. 5 25 we will get. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 0.0000525 into 0.105. Multiply all these things, we will get 0.0048551 Since this is given in meter, we will get the answer in meter cube. So you have to be very careful in doing multiplication and keeping the decimal places. Next sum is find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter and 0.63 meter. So first sum is radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as 7. So that we are substituting it. So 7 will get cancelled here. So 7 7s are 49. 22 into 4 is 88 by 3. So now 88 into 49 divided by 3. So 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 7 is 79. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 35. So 2 11 13 4 3 1 2. So 4 3 1 2 divided by 3. So when we divide it by 3, we will get 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 again, then 3 7s are 21, decimal point, remainder 1. I am dividing this 4 3 1 2 by 3, that's all. 10 we will get, 3 3s are 9, 3 3 will get. So it will be going on. So the volume of the sphere is, for radius 7 centimeter is 1437.33 centimeter cube. Then second one is 0.63 meter. So this is the radius. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is 4 by 3, 22 by 7 into radius is 0.63 3 times. 0.63 the whole cube. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63. So 7 9s are 63, 0.09. Then again 3 table, 3 3s are 9. So 88 into 0.03 into 0.63 into 0.63. So when we multiply all these things, we will get 1.05 meter cube approximately. Approximately we will get 1.05 meter cube. Okay, so all these things has to be multiplied carefully. Next sum is the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? So first we will multiply it, we'll substitute this given diameter in the volume formula, find the volume, then if we multiply by 8.9 we will get the answer in grams. Okay, so diameter of the ball is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So radius is equal to 4.2 by 2, that is equal to 2.1. That is equal to 2.1 centimeter. That we can write it as 21 by 10 centimeter for our convenience, for calculation. Okay, so volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21 by 10 3 times into 21 by 10. Okay, so now we will simplify this. 3 7s are 21, 7 one time it will go. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Then again 2 5s are 10. Again then 2 11s are 2 5s are 10. Okay, so now we will multiply the numerator. 11 into 21 into 21 divided by 125. That is equal to 11 into 21 into 21. So 21 into 21 is 441 into 11. So 441, 441, 8, 485, 4851 divided by 125. Okay, so when we divide this by 125, 4851, 3 times 5 3s are 15, 7 375, no, 4 times, if we find 125, 4 times, 5 fours are 20, 500 only we'll get, so only 3 times. So 5 threes are 15, 7, 3. 375 we'll get 0, 1, 110. We'll bring that 1 also down. So then we'll check for 8 times. 8 fives are 44. Then 8 twos are 16 plus 4, 22. 8 ones are 8, 10. So the balance is 101. Decimal point again 0. So 1008 times we'll get 1000. 10 is the remainder. We'll stop with this. 38.8. That is equal to 38.8 centimeter cube. So this is only the volume. Then we need to find the density of the metal. Density of the metal per centimeter cube. Density of metal per centimeter cube is given as 8.9 grams. So density of the metal for 38.8 centimeter cube is equal to 38.8 into 8.9. So when we multiply this, we will get the answer. So 38.8 into 8.9. So 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 7 is 79. Remainder 7. 9 threes are 27 plus 7 is 34. Then 8 eights are 64. 64 plus 6 is 77. Then 8 threes are 24 plus 3, 31. So when we add this, 13, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. So that is 345.32 grams. So that is the density of the metal. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9? So the mass of the given ball is 345.32 grams. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.